my dear future doctors. So hope you all are in best of your health. A very warm welcome, and now you know what am I talking about. I am talking about 2024 NEET syllabus. Yes, you know the NMC has announced the syllabus for the NEET 2024. Now, there's a huge confusion in everyone's mind. What to read, what not to read. Whether we should follow old NCERT or a new NCERT. Now, in today's class, I will be talking about what all things you have to do. Which book do you have to refer? And what is the detailed syllabus of NEET 2024? So, let's have a look. So, as per NMC, detailed syllabus has been given on their website. You can go and you can check it. Now, in fact, the same syllabus for biology I have here also. For other syllabus, you can check to our other videos which are available on our channel, and you can go to the NMC website also. Now here, if you look at the syllabus, the first unit, we all know what's the name of our first unit. The first unit is diversity in living organism. Now I'll be giving you in detail that for which chapter, which topic you have to refer to, which particular you can say NCERT. So first, what is living? So as you know, you are appearing for the 2024 examination. If you are appearing for 2024 examination, then all of you must be having your old NCERT. Now this what is living topic, this is given in old NCERT, this is not given in new NCERT. So for this topic you have to refer to the old NCERT. Old NCERT. Yes. Now what to do if you have new NCERT? Don't worry guys, we will be teaching you everything, or in fact you can easily download PDF from internet, the old NCERT PDF that is available everywhere, so you can download and you can read from there. Otherwise we will be focusing on all the topics which are there in old NCERT as well as in new NCERT, because many time questions keeps on coming from those topics which are already deleted. For example, the frog. Frog is that topic which is recently introduced in this academic year. But in last year NCERT, frog was not there. But still in 2023 paper, frog question has been asked. Now next topic, biodiversity, given in your new NCERT. Need for classification, taxonomics and systematics, concept of species, taxonomic hierarchy, bionomical nomenclature. All these things are there. The one thing which you do not have to read, that means from this chapter, the topic which is deleted is the taxonomical aids. Taxonomical aids, one of the interesting topics. That means overall weightage of this chapter, weightage of this topic, this chapter has been increased because one important topic which is taxonomic aids is being deleted. Moving on to the next is a 5 kingdom classification. Let's have a look. 5 kingdom classification. Next chapter, biology classification, salient feature, Monera, protista, fungi, lichen, viruses and viroid. Now to talk about this chapter, we have to discuss each of this in detail, no change. Salient feature classification of plants into major algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, 3 to 5 salient and distinguishing feature, at least 2 examples of each category. So this you have to do. Here from this chapter, angiosperm has been deleted. But don't worry, angiosperm you will be studying in the next chapter, that means in the 12th standard. This chapter is there, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Alternation of generation, there also you will study. So it is deleted from class 11th, this particular chapter, but it is there in the class 12 syllabus, so don't worry about it. So as such, nothing is deleted from this chapter. Now salient feature classification of the animals, non-chordate, phylum level, chordate classes up to 5 so everything. So animal kingdom, nothing has been deleted. From plant kingdom, please remember, see, angiosperm has been deleted, but detailed chapter of angiosperm is already there in class 12th. So don't worry, we have to do everything. So till now only one topic is deleted, which is the taxonomical aids. That's it. Moving on to the next unit, that is a structure organization in animals and plant. Here, morphology and modification, tissues, anatomy, function of different parts of the flowering plant. Morphology, anatomy, everything, root, stem, leaf, inflorescence, cymose, racemose, everything, flower, fruit, seeds. Here some extra has been given. Some families, Malvaceae, Cruciferae, Compositae, Gramineae, these are the extra classes which are being added. Yes, these things are not in NCERT. These are not in NCERT. So you have to read this from outside, and this is going to be a super interesting, and this will require your lots of attention, because different families are there, different families will be having a different features, so you have to read these topics in detail. Now, animal tissue, moving on to the animal tissue, morphology, anatomy, functions of different system. Here, animal tissue, you have to read animal tissues also, different tissues present in animals. For example, the epithelial tissue, the connective tissue, the fluid connective tissue, all these tissues you have to study for sure. So this is the something topic which is important. All the animal tissues you have to study. Please remember, structure, organization of animal, all the animal tissue, epithelial, connective tissue, all tissues, bone, etc. Question can be asked from these topics. So get ready, you have to study. Otherwise, if you will not study, that means in nervous system, from nervous system to muscle, locomotion and movement, or in breathing and exchange of gases, we will be discussing the structure, we will be discussing the muscles, we will be discussing the types of cells present. There also we will be discussing. So better to study here only, so that comparative study can be done. Now next is insect. Here one glitch, that is an insect bracket frog is given. So frog, you know, frog is not an insect. So in the old NCERT, insect was a cockroach. So this time you have to study the cockroach. Insect is cockroach, and similarly the frog also you have to study. So there is incomplete information is given regarding this, because we know the frog is not an insect. Amphibian, so this frog has been added in new NCERT, but cockroach also this time you have to study until the next, otherwise we have to wait for the next notification, because this is a error here. So brief account we do normally in these our classes: digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, all these system we have to study. Now guys, moving on to the next chapter, cell structure and function. From this topic, nothing has been deleted. Cell structure, basically here, cell structure, and guys, cell division. Nothing is deleted. Nothing is deleted. Now let's talk about this one. Chemical constituents. Here, this is the chapter, your biomolecules chapter. From here, small topics like living state, like metabolism, some small topics are given which are not there in syllabus, so you can avoid it. It's better to read. What I prefer, it's better to read, because it will give you a base, like what are catabolic reaction, what's the meaning of the metabolism. So all these are small topics which I really suggest that you guys should read. Clear? Now moving on to the next, that is the plant physiology. Guys, please remember, here the mineral nutrition chapter is deleted. Transport in plant is deleted. These are the two chapters which are deleted from old NCERT. So do not refer to your old NCERT. Do not read those chapters from the old NCERT. If it is not there, so it will not be asked. Now, photosynthesis, everything is there. Photosynthesis, respiration, that you have to do. Next is a plant growth and development. Here, buddies, some topics like vernalization, seed dormancy, these topics, they are being deleted. So plant rest, everything you have to do. Growth regulator, etc. and etc. Clear? In fact, one more topic has been deleted, guys. That is the secondary growth. So you should not focus on the secondary growth also. That I'll show you here. Now from the human physiology, a very good news. That is one of the easiest chapter. That is the digestion and absorption is deleted. Digestion and absorption. This whole chapter is deleted. In fact, it is not there in your new NCERT also. This need not study digestion and absorption. Now the rest, everything is same. Excretory, body fluid, breathing and exchange, everything is same. Here, locomotion and movement, everything is same. Neural control and coordination, please remember here, reflex arc is not given. So reflex arc, no need to study the reflex arc. Here, no need to study the sense organ. So two topics are deleted. One is the reflex arc, and the second one is the sense organ. Sense organ is every time examiner's favorite. I don't know why, but it is deleted. Quite complex topic. I won't say it is an easy topic, but it's a good news for you all, that sense organ, that means eyes, ear, olfactory. So these sense organs, they are deleted from your syllabus. Next is chemical coordination, no change in chemical coordination as such. Everything, including all the hormone, everything you have to study. Next is a sexual reproduction. The first thing is, first chapter, that is reproduction in organism, is deleted. So you don't have to study the chapter reproduction in organism. Now, next one, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. See here, sexual reproduction in flowering plant, that is a reason, angiosperm, because here this time they focused more on organizing the topics, those which are already in 12th standard. So those topics, they are deleted from the 12th standard. So accordingly, the syllabus has been divided. So everything related to angiosperm you will be studying here. Now the next is human reproduction, no change as such. Reproductive health, no change, guys. Next is heredity variation, no change. Molecular basis of inheritance, evolution, no change, guys. Next chapter is human health and diseases. Everything, all the diseases, guys, you have to study. Microbes in human welfare, guys. This chapter is already there, but one chapter, that is strategies for enhancement of fruit production, is deleted. Clear? Now, moving on to the next, biotechnology and its application, principle and application, both the chapters you have to do, that too in detail. Moving on to the next is ecology and environment. Here, organism, ecosystem, biodiversity, these topics are there. Now here in ecosystem, here succession, one of that topic which is always examiner's favorite, this topic has been deleted, so the question will not be asked. So organism and population, population interaction, mutualism, competition, predation, all these things you have to deal. Ecosystem and the biodiversity, environmental issues, you know, that is deleted. Clear? So this was your syllabus. So please, whenever you start practicing something, suppose you're starting a particular chapter, make sure your NCERT is open, your syllabus is open in front of you, so that you should cover each and every line there in your syllabus. This is important. So yes, I am expecting good result from your side, because many topics, yes, they are deleted, but some topics they are added as well. So for example, some families has been added, you have to study now extra, that is a cockroach you have to study. So there are lots of changes, but this time the question paper will be quite different. That means we can consider that if topics are deleted, questions will be asked in depth. So get ready for scientific based questions also, this can be asked. So another prediction which I can do is from the deleted part also. So you have to be ready, because if you want to attain good marks or very good marks, or you want to attain one of the prestigious institute, that is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I recommend you guys, there are some topics which are already deleted, but somehow they are interconnected, that you should definitely read. For example, I'll give you the metabolism. You should read metabolism. In fact, there are other topics, right, which simultaneously, as we will be going through each and every chapter, we will be definitely take care of those topics as well. Clear? So have a nice day and all the best to 2024 NEET aspirants. Our team is already with you.